Hi guys, welcome back to another Instagram TV video. So today I'm going to be doing a little haul for you of some stuff that I got. It just came in the post. I literally just opened it and I thought, why not show you guys, because I always shop on Missguided, Pretty Little Thing, Boohoo. I do, but I'm not gonna lie, a lot of the times I get stuff from Boohoo I'm not really too keen on. So I'm now focusing on just Pretty Little Thing, Missguided. I feel like there's another one. No, those two. So those two places I absolutely love, and I go there for like my basics, my everyday stuff. They do amazing sales. It's just super cool. I'm actually going to show you these shoes first of all because they're just so pretty. These are the Public Desire heels. I absolutely love them. I have yet to wear them. Honestly, I've not gone anywhere special to have worn these amazing shoes. And then I got these shoes. I might as well get, I'm going to get the little side things out the way and then get into the clothes. So this is from Paradox London. I get a lot of my shoes from there. I honestly love them. I get them sent, but it's just gifted, but I do wear them every single day. Every shoe I've gotten I've worn so many times. Like, it's my most worn shoes. I find them so comfortable, and I love the heels on. They do different heel lengths. These super cute trainers, I can't wait to, these are going to be my like everyday trainers. I know they're a bit glam, but I want to dress up more like every day, because just, I don't dress up all the time like I used to. So now, even if I'm just like going down the road, I want to look cool. Then I also got this hat. So this is from Sisters Seekers. I absolutely love their Instagram page. I always want to get something, but everything is so immodest. They've got some stuff right now, but then I ended up buying stuff on Missguided, and I thought, I can't spend anymore. But I got this cap, and it says, what does it say, between seasons, doesn't it? Yeah. So this was between the seasons before they came out with their spring summer collection. But I absolutely just love their stuff. Actually, I can make it tighter. Yes, there we go. That actually feels a lot nicer. Oh no, now this thing is poking out. There we go. And then the last little bit before I get into the clothes, I got the Givenchy tint, I don't know how to say that word, couture eyewear foundation. Absolutely love this. It's what I'm wearing on today. I love it. I love the consistency. I love the color. Everybody that loves this foundation needs to go and try the Dior Backstage foundation, because I feel like these are very similar, but I think the Dior Backstage is even better than this one. But I've been wearing it for a couple of hours. I'm going to wait a few more hours and then see how it looks, because I've only worn this for like 3 hours max. So I don't know how well it wears. But there's actually a mirror on this, which is really clever, because like around my nose, all this area, it still looks so good, which, yeah, it just looks really good. Okay, this foundation is amazing. I love it. I got this gorgeous piece. I've been eyeing it up for a while, and I just went ahead and bought it because I thought, I love this. So this is from Modanisa, and this is a designer collaboration that they did, which you can just see there. And it's this gorgeous sequin top with a bow on it, and this is so cool. And I feel like this gives me very like Gucci vibes, but then at the same time it's like very vintage 80s, right guys? What do you think? Anyway, I absolutely love this, and I don't have anywhere to wear it, which is fine, but I love having pieces like this in my wardrobe for when I have a last minute event, or there's something that comes up last minute and I never have anything. But then this is very easy to style, because I can easily put so many different bottoms with it. Like, I can do white culottes, black culottes, pink trousers, pink skirt, white skirt. I'm kind of ran out of ideas. No, I'm just joking, but there's so many different things that you can style this with. Yeah, then I got this hoodie. it's a cropped white hoodie. I wanted one for ages, and I thought, you know what, I'm just gonna get it. The first thing I got is a basic black ribbed maxi dress, and I absolutely love the fabric on this. It's really high quality. Okay, so now you guys are gonna think I'm super crazy because I bought I bought 4 pieces of clothing in one color. I've never ever in my life done that. That was a first, and that's because being a mum who needs to get out the house in 0.25 seconds, right, it's impossible for me to put cute outfits together in 0.25 seconds. So I thought, if I get like a couple of pieces in the same color that I can match up together, I have like 4 outfits just here, if that makes sense. And then I also chose a color that I knew would work with a lot of stuff in my wardrobe. Also, this color is so lush. I'm so in love with it. This is their this is the Misguided new collection that they've just come out with. It feels amazing. So I first picked up, this is the first thing I saw, and I was like, I need it. Like, this was before I saw the rest of the collection, and I was like, I'm getting this, I don't care. And it's basically this teal it's super oversized shirt, but I got it in a size 8 because I knew it was going to be massive, and I am going against that whole thing of wearing super massive clothes. Like, I am what's the word, you know, when you want to resolutions, no, not resolution, my New Year resolution is, it's not really New Year, summer resolution is not to wear extra large clothes. So I got it in an 8, and even then it looks massive. Then I saw this t-shirt and I was just like, oh, I really want it, but I didn't put it in my basket. Oh no, this is massive. This is so big. Okay, I got this in a UK 8, but it is super wide. Let me check if is it long enough? Does it cover? Okay, I don't know if it could be. Okay, maybe it will. I know, I feel like a crazy person showing it all in one color. Then I saw this super gorgeous dress on there, and this is just a maxi strappy oh no, it's a Mindy Dress, sorry, my bad. I got this in a 12, and actually, what's the length on this? Let me just check. Is this full length? Oh, okay, perfect. So it's midi, but because I'm super sure it's full length on me. Absolutely love this fabric. I'm actually gonna go, and it's not opaque, I'm gonna go and buy a few more of these, because I think this was £22 or 15, might have been 15, because I feel like this in the summer is perfect. I can just throw shirts over it. I was like, yo, I cannot pass this up. And this is the Jogging Bottoms. I got this in a 10 because I knew they were going to be massive, and to be honest, I think I could have even got an 8 and it still would have fit me. The sizing is super oversized, but remember, we're not going for that here anymore. We are trying to buy stuff that fit. Yeah, because that leg looks really massive. And the only thing I wish is that the bottom is like an open leg. It's not a tapered leg, but I've seen some hacks on Instagram where like they take that in and then they fold it up and it becomes like a tapered trouser like that. See, that is everything that I got. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. I know I didn't try anything on. Once again, I'm a little bit, I have like a few more minutes until the baby gets back, so I thought I'll just quickly film what I got in the post and show you guys. So I hope you enjoyed that, and if you want to see any more videos from me, let me know. I love to know what kind of stuff you guys want to see.